Yeah, what's up, Maurice?
Hey, Red, I just wanted to ask you.
Another discussion, huh?
Yeah, man. I was sitting back.
I love it.
I wanted to ask you a couple of questions.
Okay.
Because I know you love to dance, man, and a lot of people like to see you dance, right?
For sure.
And it seemed like you could do everybody's dance. You know, like Michael Jackson, you break dance, you pop lock, and you're a great stepper, right?
Oh yeah.
And so I was just wondering, how old was you when you first started dancing? When you first started really noticing that you can dance?
Oh. How old was I? You wouldn't believe it. I was 5 years old.
Wow.
Right there in Chicago.
Wow.
First talent show was Rise to School, right on 70th and Woods.
Okay.
And
did you get in any dance groups?
Dance groups? Oh, plenty.
Oh yeah.
Plenty of dance.
Name some of them.
For one, the Imperial Knights.
Okay.
The Executives.
Okay.
The Wave-O-Matics.
All right. Was you in a lot of shows?
Oh man, I was in a lot of shows. And you know what? I was in one of the best dance groups that was all over Chicago. But I tried to get established here when I first came to Minnesota on the dance groups. It capped off a little bit, but that was like in a little bit of the 90s.
Okay. All right. So, even now, you know what I'm saying? It's like you still doing all them same dance, but from what I'm hearing that you have taught a lot of other people to dance.
Oh yeah.
And you have put together dance groups and stuff like that?
For sure.
And you win, I don't know, I can't even count how many dance stepping contests and stuff like that. And I mean, you done really turned the city out on the stepping side.
Oh yeah, I try to keep it like that.
Have you taught other people how to step as well?
Yeah, a little bit. But I'm trying to even push it more now, trying to teach more and trying to get more to come. Because everybody have their own style of dance. See, I have my own style. And I try to get it out there too by teaching other folks how to dance, you know. And I represent myself as a freestyler, you know. So do you know anything about what I mean when I say freestyle?
Oh yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about. But what I was finna ask you, man, you think maybe you can give him a little example? Just a quick demonstration.
Like on what?
Just on the stepping side. Just give him a quick freestyle demonstration. Can you do that?
In the next one.
All right.
Because you know, I'm kind of not feeling it right now, but I'm always willing to dance. Don't get me wrong. You know that. That's why you said that.
Oh yeah. I just thought that the audience would like to see
that.
But
I could give like voices or whatever. Give them a little demonstration or something like that.
Okay. Let's hear you.
You go ahead. I mean, tell me what you want me to. Michael Jackson or something.
Michael Jackson to do.
Imitate Michael Jackson.
Imitate Michael Jackson.
Okay, here you go. Hello, fans out there. How are you? People thought that I was dead. No, I'm not. I'm still Michael. And I'm here with Jumpin' Jammin' Red. Thank you, Jumpin' Jammin' Red and Maurice.
That was cool. That was cool right there, man.
See, I do a lot of things, man.
Yeah, I know.
And I love radio. And I love voice. I love to do all these things, man.
And I know you DJ a lot, man. And people all over want you to DJ for them. And you worked on the radio station. I mean, you put in work in the city, man. And you know, and I love to hear your music, right?
Oh, thank you.
You know, I just think a lot of other people need to get an opportunity to hear some of that music too. Tell them where they can go and listen to some of that good music at Red.
Well, here, Minneapolis.
Where can they go and listen to some of that music?
Well, I'll tell you one thing. You can go to the Elks Lodge. That's on Plymouth Avenue. Right here in the North Side City. And then you could go to St. Paul, Arnellis. Great place for stepping, listen to good music. But see, I try to get in those places, you know. But one day I'm going to have my own little place and I'm going to let this music get out to these people and show them, hey, I'm straight old school and stepping. That's me. Goodbye.